Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Russell Hobbs glass kettle, and now we will review it. We will measure the how much noise it makes, and we will measure how fast it boils 1 liter of cold tap water. So as you can see here, we have front with glass. It's very good because glass it's not changing the smell and the taste of water, so it's very good for coffee and tea lovers. Here we have traditional Russell Hobbs steel metal, so stainless steel parts maybe, but of course these parts as you can see, fingerprints are very visible here, and it looks maybe not too pretty, but it's stainless steel. If it clean, it looks great. Here on the top we have the cover with just normal simple cheap plastic, lightweight plastic. Here we have the filter, but unfortunately it's not removable, or just I can't remove it. In theory it can be removable, but I really tried, but I can't remove it. Maybe in my case it's not removable, but in theory it could be, but unfortunately I can't remove this filter. And cool. So here we have the power button. Click on this button, we will enable the kettle. And here we have the button to open the cover. And of course, this part of our kettle is plastic too. So what about max capacity? So max capacity marked like simple 1 liter and 7 milliliters, like any other kettle. This kettle has power of 2200, so this is just normal kettle. So let's test it. Oh, and of course the base. The base is just with lightweight plastic. This is the standard base, as you can see, for any Chinese kettles. Here we have maybe 50 centimeters cable, power cable, and we have the very strange maybe part of base. It's stainless steel part here. I don't know why they put stainless steel on the base, and I really hope it will be always safe. As you can see, here we have these parts, and I hope it will be always safe. But okay, let's enable it. Now I will fill this kettle with cold tap water, 1 liter. Okay. And now I will reset my stopwatch, and so let's start. So okay, that's it. As you can see, the maximum noise level is 76 and 9 decibels. Of course, the front part of the kettle is very hot because we have only one layer of glass, so it's very hot. And as you can see, the boiling of 1 liter of water takes just only 3.5 minutes. So it's just normal, simple kettle, like any other kettle you can buy. So it have no two great features. It has just simple lightweight plastic on the top, glass here, so glass is very good. This part is not hot, so it's okay, and just normal base. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.